Oh my god, I turned my phone off.
Wow. Oh, really? That was so weak. I don't like it. Although, I'm not gonna be grateful.
Nothing? Seriously?
By the way, how are you doing on 4th of July? Yeah. I hope you're doing a great time. My little viewers and fans
Evil.
and subscribers. I'm pretty sure I don't have fans. Okay, I think I have social anxiety and I hate myself. Yikes. Okay, I'm getting nervous again. I don't know why. I'm getting nervous.
Okay, you nerd. Nerdy nerdo. Nerdy nerdo.
No, you're not.
No, you're a nerd.
No, you're a nerd.
You nerd.
You're a nerd.
No, you're a nerd. You're nerd. This is all a joke. Yeah, let me talk.
Why did I just say that?
Let me talk.
Yeah, my brother can beatbox, I think. He can only make a gun sound.
That's proof.
Okay, my brother can beatbox and I can sing. My vocals have been getting good lately, I think. Only if I get a sore throat, then maybe not. But maybe.
Oh. What the oof? Where's giant fireworks?
Daddy, we just had like a big firework like earlier. You could have recorded that.
I did record it.
You could have gotten your finger, nothing. You could have gotten your thingy.
Yeah, but I spin it, which caused a stupid thing to like.
Let go.
So ignore the post. Isn't me? It's just sprinkling. Look at him.
It's not. The sprinkler is not working. Yeah,
That dies.
a multi-firecracker.
Oh, age bait. Well, I don't think it's.
Ooh! Ooh! Ay!
What the heck?
By the way, this sounds like birds. Oh, wait, I see my first star. You guys can't see it because I'm on a phone that has bad graphics.
Yeah, same. Yeah, that's just Crystal. That's make your dress rotated.
Oh.
It does. What was that?
Better? My graphics are good.
What was that? Foot fight. Ooh.